we had the discussion on the aspect of the report on the reservation policy, and we have decided that the assembly session, which again is another news which I would like to inform all of you, that we have proposed to the governor that the assembly session be started from the mid of February, exact date about February 16th, if I'm not wrong, and the calendar, but February 16th, the Monday, and up to February 27th. So we have proposed to the governor. We are waiting for the governor, of course, to call the sitting of the assembly for the budget session. So once the governor approves and gives the orders, it will be formalized. But we have proposed, and based on that proposal, the cabinet has also decided that it is most appropriate that we'll be placing the report of the committee during the budget session of 2026. So those are the decisions that were made.